and welcome back to Robinhood Coins. This is TJ, and I have Maid Marian over there helping me out. And we are going to be doing a penny box hunt. And for this hunt, we have one box of the Loomis rolls. We have a bunch of oldies on the ends, so looks like we should have a good box. Pretty excited about it. We're going to be looking for wheat cents. Hopefully we can find another Indian head cent, proofs, anything to add to our collection. And as always, we will be giving away something from the hunt, but we're actually going to be giving away a bunch of wheat cents that Woohoo sent in on a mail call. And we're going to put those wheat cents in this empty Lincoln Cents Warman's folder, plus one or two of the wheat cents that we find from the hunt. And that'll be the Robinhood Coins giveaway for this video. As always, to enter the giveaway, just comment on this video and then be sure to watch our next video where we'll pick the winner. And at the end of this video, we're going to pick the winner for our last video's giveaway. Well, that's enough chit chat. Hopefully we can find some wheat cents and some good coins to add to our collection. So let's kick it off with roll number 1 and see what we get.
I'm on roll 8 and I found my first wheatie of the box. It is a 1945.
You gotta show it a little bit better. They can't see it. There you go. Good job.
Yeah.
First wheatie on the board.
Uh-huh.
Little helper's doing it.
Same roll of that wheatie, 1945, I found this 2009 Professional Life.
Good job. That's the first 2009 we found so far.
Uh-huh. I'm on roll 15 and I got a coin explosion, but that was good because I saw this wheat cent. We don't know what the date is. Let's see.
Let's see what it is. And
It's another 1945.
yep, another 1945. Man, the little helper's taking all the Wheaties in the box. Good job. I am working on roll 21.
And I found this one. He didn't even see it, so I get it.
I was about to show everybody this Wheatie right here.
But then I saw...
It's a 1952. We have a wheat cent, my first wheat cent of the box. And my little helper was poaching over on my roll, and she saw this one. Ooh, it's older.
1941, but it's still mine.
Okay. All right. I just got jacked for a Wheatie, I think. All right. Well, that's 2 more Wheaties on the board. I am working on roll 23, and I found another wheat cent. Here it is. It is reversed up, so we can do the reveal together. And we have a 1956 Denver.
Well, I still found the oldest wheatie.
You did. But that takes us to 6 wheat cents on the box.
All right, I'm on roll 24, and I have my first find, my first wheatie. I don't know what year it is.
It can't be.
Let's see.
44.
I still have the oldest.
1944 Denver, is that? That is good stuff.
I still have the oldest.
Yeah, little helper still has the oldest. Good job, Mama Hood.
Thanks, I'm on the board.
We are on roll 42, and my sister just found a wheat cent. I have no idea what date it is, but let's see. It is a 1954.
Is it a Denver?
It's an
S.
Oh, good. We have a 1954 San Francisco. We don't get those very often.
Well,
Good job.
my sister's gonna keep it.
I am working on roll 46, and I found another wheat cent right here. Let's see what it is. This time it's a 1956 Denver. So I think that takes us to wheat cent number 8 or 9. I'm working on roll 49, and I found our first foreign coin of the box. We have a 1963 Canadian cent. There you go. Gotta love finding foreign coins. We are all done checking through the rolls, and now I would be going through the years that I set aside to check for errors and varieties. Unfortunately, I don't have time tonight. but I will go through them eventually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set these aside in a container where I store all of these by year and mint mark so that I can check them for errors and varieties later. Because I want to be sure to check for the 83 Philadelphia DDR, the 84 Philadelphia doubled ear, the 92 close AM, the 94 and 95 DDR and DDO, and then the 1998 through 2000 Philadelphia wide AM. So we'll go ahead and set those aside, and then we'll do the overall wrap up. So here's that container that I mentioned. Anytime that I don't have time to check for errors and varieties, this is where I put them. These are all years that I need to check for errors. Eventually I'll get to them. So here's the overall wrap up. This turned out to be a pretty good hunt. We got a decent variety. We ended up with a total of 8 wheat cents from the 40s and 50s, all pretty common, but I was excited to get that 1954 San Francisco. Don't get that one very often. We had one pretty nice 1960s. We'll go ahead and set that aside. And we had a foreign coin. We had a Canadian, and it was a 1963. So that was pretty cool. We had 15 2009s, and 5 of them were in really nice shape. And we had 2 1959 Denvers. Overall, not a bad hunt. Now it's time to pick the winner for our giveaway posted on our last video. It was a nickel hunt video posted back on October 24th, and so we're going to go ahead and pick the winner right now, and that is for a silver wartime nickel we found during that hunt. We had 132 unique commenters in that video. Let's go ahead and see who the winner is going to be, and it is Big Mike. Nice finds. I love Buffalo Nickels. Well, congratulations, Big Mike. You win the giveaway on our video, the nickel hunt video posted October 24th. Thank you very much for watching. So the Robinhood Coins giveaway for this video is going to be this Warman's Lincoln Cent folder, and I was able to put a bunch of wheat cents in there that were given to us by Woohoo, and he actually had sent some duplicates, so I will be able to put in a couple into the next couple albums that I give away on my penny hunts as well. Thank you very much for that, Woohoo. As always, to enter this giveaway, comment on this video, and then be sure to watch our next video where we're going to pick the winner. Not our next live stream, but our next video, we'll pick the winner, just like we picked the winner for the last video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed the hunt. It was a lot of fun. If you did, smash that like button. And if you enjoy our content, please subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss any giveaways or videos, and we'll see you on the next hunt.